where it come from. Wasn't the viral video getting arrested actually fake?
The viral video of me getting arrested was not fake, but it wasn't real.
What that mean?
Exactly what I said. But yeah, that's where I got it from the video. When the cop said that or whatever, the clip went crazy. And honestly, I was already making clothes. Then after just making clothes so much, it's just like, fuck. I see like how one catchphrase could go so crazy. So I'm just like, at first I'm like looking at other people's catchphrases, and then it was right under my nose the whole time.